What's up everyone? Josh here, head educator with Hairlocks. Today I'm here with my gorgeous model, Elise. So Elise, have you ever had hair extensions before?
I've never had hair extensions before, and I've actually never had my hair professionally done.
I am so excited not only for you, but for this transformation. So for Elise, I'm going to be doing what's called a hybrid installation today, which means I'm doing two different methods. I'm going to be going in with our wefts and our I-tips to create a seamless blend from her natural length into her brand new length of her extensions. Not only am I doing a install of extensions for Elise today, but I'm going to be doing a vibrant springtime color melt on her as well. Elise, are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Awesome. I am too. Let's jump into it. To start off, I'm going to prep Elise's hair by first lightening her roots, then clarifying and blow drying her hair to ensure everything is ready for her new colors. Okay, so now we have finished prepping Elise's hair. I'm going to go ahead and get her color applied. So for her color today, I'm going to be starting with a bright, vibrant blue at her root, melting down into a purple, pink, and then yellow right on those ends. And then on her extensions, I'm going to mimic that same color melt, but then incorporate green into the ends of those, creating a really vibrant springtime color melt. And then I'm gonna do something a little exciting in her fringe. Elise has had every color under the rainbow on her hair, but not at once. And today she gets just that. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah. All right, let's get her colored. For our rainbow melt today, I'm using a vibrant blue, violet, bright pink, yellow, and teal. Starting with our blue, blending down into our purple, pink, and yellow. When coloring my extensions, I always like to lay them down on a flat surface and paint my color on in a back and forth motion to ensure I am achieving proper saturation. For our extensions, I am following the same color melt, but adding our teal to the ends for an extra pop of color. When rinsing out vivid colors, always make sure you are using cool water to keep the colors from bleeding and keep everything nice and vibrant. All right, everyone, so we have finished coloring Elise's hair and her extensions. I am so obsessed with how this color is looking. What do you think so far?
I love it.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and get her wefts and I-tips installed, and I can't wait to see the finished result. When installing your extensions, it is crucial to make sure you have a clean, even section free of cross hairs. Using the Hairlocks Velcro strips will help keep little flyaways and baby hairs out of the way while you work. One trick I like to do is use a mist of a light hold hairspray to help control my sections. To learn in depth how to install our wefting system and more, check out our online certification course at hairlocks.com. All right, everyone, so we have finished our full extension install and transformation on Elise, and I'm so excited for you to see your new hair. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
So excited? All right.
Oh my God, it looks so good. I love it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that looks crazy.
All those colors in there. The rainbow bangs.
Yes, I love the rainbow bangs.
All of those extra inches.
I know, that looks crazy.
Do you feel like the queen that you've always been meant to be?
Yeah, I do.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I love it.